Hi, welcome back. This is Adventures with Dr. Joe. We've got some really nice Walker Razor Sport XT noise canceling headsets. They're electronic. You turn them on, it enhances what you're listening. You can talk to your friends or colleagues, but then when the sharp report of a gun goes off or something like that, they're protective. But if you're out in the field wearing these for a long time, or you're on a clay course running these, even though these seem really comfortable, they're not. After a while, they become very painful and uncomfortable, and that's why Walker made these gel ear pads to replace them. Now, they're very specific. These only work with Razor and XCEL muffs. They make other ones for other types. But when I first started to look at these to replace these, I was very confused. So I got the ear pad, and I saw the nice long edge here, and I thought it needs to come out of this, pull this piece out and put it back in. And I struggled, and I struggled, and I heated it, and I realized, wait a minute, there's got to be a better way. When you carefully look at the edge of this, you're going to see a seam. And this is a part that is connected to the ear pad, and when it comes out, go to the area where the bar connects to it, and there's a little gap. You can get your screwdriver in there and pop it open. Look at that. Once that's open, here's the ear pad we're replacing. Here's the new one, and again, it's got more of a squared off end on this side. And this is just going to fit in just like that, and we're done. So if you've got these really nice Walker Razors or other type, and you're planning on using these for more than just a little bit, trade out the pads that come with those to these really nice gel ear pads. I'll leave a link in the description where to get these on Amazon. They're not very expensive. They really do improve the comfort of wearing these for a long time. Consider subscribing if this was helpful. Please give me a thumbs up. It helps a lot. Thank you.